I guess it all started because I just really wanted to focus on something and care about what I was doing, but with more than a surface level involvement. I wanted to be able to create and provide something in its entirety to someone. No subcontractors, no smoke and mirrors about who's doing what. I just wanted to do it all. Right now I work exclusively with vintage cellulose acetate plastic. The frames that make up this collection are made from Italian acetate that I pulled out of an eyewear factory about 4 years ago. It was made in the 1980s or earlier, and it's beautiful. I import the highest quality German hardware and Zeiss lenses, and then everything else happens by me in my small workshop. In addition to designing the glasses, I've designed the whole process. I use some existing specialized tools that I've been able to find, but it's a real mishmash of tools from different countries and industries, some eyewear specific and some not, and jigs and fixtures and contraptions that I've designed myself. I've been writing down all the steps since I started this project over 4 years ago because I was trying to develop a repeatable process from scratch. It's like a book now, super long and detailed, and it's very important to me. That book is in each pair of these glasses. Every single step and note that I've made, it translates into something that is done to these materials to make them into glasses. It's kind of funny to think about it that way. It's like the sheet music or code or DNA for this object.